APPS, a stock analysis, and APPS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos, actually 42,000, and I have proof of everything. You know, I've seen what's printing me money, what is not. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. So ultimately speaking, man, like, this is where we are, but this just took the highs out very, very nicely. I'm very proud of this because here's my proof. Here's the call out. Like, here's that proof. This is like 2 days back. Yeah, so at the time, it was already 468, and this just pumped. You know, it was like 16th of June. So like 8 now, like 17th, it pumped up. 16th was right here. 17th the next day, sort of, you know, did its thing. But this is like such a great call out. And what I'm gonna do is just copy the link. This is great because I'm looking to double down. Am I going to immediately buy though? Not necessarily. So how's that going to look like? Well, marking out the top. As long as it makes sense and there is a proper double break, then and only then I'm buying. If not, it's all pure noise. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.